Okay, today's productivity tip is going to be about backups. I'm not going to go into the virtues of backups, you should know them or you shouldn't. This is more about backing up an entire drive to another entire drive, but making it really, really simple as part of your backup routine, depending on what it is. There'll be another video somewhere in the archives, we'll link below if there is, to about backup routines and why you should have them and different ways of doing stuff, because actually it's a bit of a minefield. But what I'm going to talk to you about is we've got external drives. I always keep a backup of all my stuff. I work on external drives, I've got stuff on my Mac, and you know what, Time Machine is great and everything else, but sometimes I just want an exact clone of my external drive, or internal, doesn't matter which. So if we have a look at this little app we got here, so this is called Super Duper, and the website is shirtpocket.com, -.com, Super Duper. That'll get you there. We'll put a link to this below as well. This is this app I've used for probably 10 years, and it's expanded on, and it's a donate app, I think, or it used to be. I did donate as well to it. I bought it because actually I think this this is a buy it now one. It's $27.95 at the moment. I bought it. I think it's brilliant. I've had it 10 years and I'm still using it today. So what it allows me to do is to select my source drive, select my destination drive, which I haven't got plugged in at the moment, and let's just put it to that for now so we can see some options. We can set options, so we can do smart update. So what that does is, once I've done it once and I've got all my files there, next time I do it, it's only looking for what's changed. It's not going to copy the whole thing over again and again. It will delete the stuff off here that's not needed anymore and put the new stuff on. This is fantastic for an exact duplicate of what you need of that drive. So you've got a pure backup, you could start work straight away and off you go. It is not designed to replace your Time Machine or any other little bits of backups. This is more of, right, let's back this up now, once a week, whenever you do it. We'll talk about routines another time. You can select what you do on completion, eject the hard drive, shut the computer down, sleep, quit, whatever. This does keep the computer on. It doesn't allow it to go to sleep while it's copying. There are different modes as well. You can just erase it and copy it from new every single time. You can copy just newer files, and you can copy just files that are different. The newer files obviously is not going to delete anything, so that drive's going to fill up very, very fast because it's going to keep all those old copies. But it depends what you're doing, that might be more suitable to you. I tend to find the smart one is used for everything that I do. You can set a schedule up if you want to do it, and then you just copy. If it's recording from your Mac, you can, I believe, copy the different backups that are on there as well that you've got, which is all part of the new file format, the AFS file system or whatever it is, into that little app for your backups. Disk to disk, you cannot fault this backup system. It is just brilliant. It's saved my bacon several times having that, and if you bare least, that's something that you need. Hope that tip was of use to you. If it was, give us a thumbs up. If you'd like more tips to come into your inbox, then click subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you soon.